In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Cursor AI. We'll make sure your interface looks just the way you want and get it done in just 5 minutes. To start off, you'll need to have Cursor AI open. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and launch the application. This is your first step toward customizing your workspace to make it more visually appealing or easier on your eyes, depending on your preference. Once you have Cursor AI open, you'll want to access the command palette. This is a central feature that allows you to execute a wide range of commands quickly and efficiently. If you're using a Windows or Linux operating system, you can open the command palette by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and P simultaneously. For macOS users, the combination will be Command, Shift, and P. This will bring up a useful search bar where you can type in commands or keywords to find what you need in a flash. Now that you have the command palette open, you'll want to type the word theme into the search bar. By doing this, you're narrowing down the list of commands to only those related to themes, making it much easier to find the option you require. This is a handy trick when you're looking for specific settings and ensures you're not sifting through a long list of unrelated functions. After typing theme, you'll see various related commands. The one you're looking for will be labeled Preferences Color Theme. This is the command that will allow you to alter the appearance of your Cursor AI's interface. As you spot this option in the list, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a selection of themes that are available for you to choose from. Now comes the fun part, picking a new theme. When the list of available themes appears, take your time to scroll through and preview the options. Choose whichever theme feels best to you. It could be one with a light background, a darker theme to ease eye strain, or something with a burst of color to keep things vibrant. Once you've decided on a theme, simply click on your choice. The final step is the most rewarding. After selecting your new theme, watch as the interface updates almost instantaneously to reflect your selection. The change is an instant visual confirmation that your customization has been applied successfully. It's that simple. You've now personalized Cursor AI to better fit your aesthetic or functional needs. Enjoy your newly customized workspace, and remember, you can always change the theme again if you decide you'd like something different later on. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.